everybody, welcome back. If you are new, I am ℎ𝕣𝕠𝕕 and I am the Eclectic Herbalist. It is Apothecary's at-home October box, which is for herbs for love and rituals. Let me pull up the book, which I had earlier because I just finished doing the unboxing. As I just said, I just did the unboxing, so I have not gone over the book. I feel like raw learning is the best way to learn. In the guides it does have tips and information on what books you can buy or go to the library and get, look into. Alright, anyways, so again, this month's theme was herbs for love and ritual. And as always, we will go over the beautiful herbal actions you will want to look for when crafting tinctures and salves and such rituals and whatnot. So, first herbal action you will want to look for is, of course, an aphrodisiac, which help in a variety of different ways to support the reproductive system. It improves libido and arousal to sexual desire in men and women. Well, I would hope it's in men and women and not like donkeys or aliens. Did you guys read about that bird, that crane, that fell in love with a man? Ugh. Poor bird, doesn't know what she's getting into. 5 birdie children they have together. I think that's so sweet. What a love story that is. Anyways, on to the next one, because I digress. This word I'm going to look up.
The word ℚ𝕤𝕤𝕚 is
okay. ℚ𝕤𝕤𝕚. ℚ𝕤𝕤𝕚s. I am hoping I get that right. Anyways, ℚ𝕤𝕤𝕚s are groups of entheogens. Hope I got that one right. That have been used for centuries to heighten dream awareness and promote consciousness, or promote conscious awakening during dream state. Interesting. I'm gonna look into that one more. Ooh, I have 3 of those. Okay. Hypnotonic, hypnotonic. I'm pretty sure it's hypnotonic. Ooh, these hurt my ears. Anyways, like the name might suggest, hypnotonic herbs support a deeply restful sleep. So yes, hypnotonic. For Hypnos, the Greek god of sleep, or personification. The next herbal action, so those are the first 3. Hypnotonic is the 3rd one, sorry. In my own little world here. The next herbal action is circulatory. The next herbal action is for the circulatory. You got this. You got this. Circulatory. Circulatory stimulant. Circulatory stimulant. Got it. And as that might suggest, it stimulates and encourages blood flow and circulation. So those are just the 4 herbal actions we will be working with, or you will be working with, in this month's box. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing, and I will see you when you return. So as stated, this month's theme is herbs for romance and ritual. While next month it does look like it will be herbs for divine digestion. If you are new to my channel and you are not sure what Apothecary at Home is, it is just a monthly subscription box that provides you with herbs, supplies, and everything you need to start your very own apothecary. If you do want to get next month's box, I will have the link below, and it will give you about 15% off. First out of the box is our tea from the Loose Leaf Tea Company. This month we have chocolate spice. It has organic red rooibos, roasted cocoa nibs, cinnamon chips, orange peel, ginger, and cloves. Next up, and we do get these in every box, are our 2 4-ounce maceration jars. Next up are our 2 dropper bottles. This month they are purple and red to go with the theme. I think they're really cute. Next set of supplies we get in every box are 2 muslin straining bags to strain our macerations at the end of the month. And this month's bonus gift was a rosemary and eucalyptus smoke cleansing bundle by the shop ℎ𝕣𝕠𝕕𝕦𝕔𝕥𝕤 Crafts. Like always, we can't forget our 4 labels. These are just for naming and dating all of our creations. Next up, and one of my favorite gifts, is the hand-drawn sketches from the owner's mother, Virgie. Our first lovely sketch is a sketch of mugwort. Our second lovely sketch is of rose. And the third lovely sketch is of ℍ𝕠𝕠𝕠. Another thing that I absolutely love from this company is that they provide a pack of seeds. This month we did get a pack of mugwort seeds, and I am excited to put these in my garden. And speaking of mugwort, we did get 2 ounces of dried mugwort. Medicinally, mugwort is often used internally and topically to regulate the female menstruation cycle. It has a warming action that helps circulate blood in the abdominal and pelvic regions. Magically, mugwort can be used to aid with dreams, dream protection, and divination spells. Next up, we received 2 ounces of rose petal. Medicinally, rose can be used for anxiety and depression, hot and irritated conditions, along with menstrual cramps. Magically, rose petals are basically a staple for anything involving love spells, love crafting, and anything like that. Next up was our 1 ounce bonus herb of ℍ𝕠𝕠𝕠. Medicinally, ℍ𝕠𝕠𝕠 can be used to treat headaches, depression, nervous stomach, and constipation. It can also be used for prevention and treatment for sexual problems, boosting and maintaining mental and physical stamina, as well as an aphrodisiac. Magically, ℍ𝕠𝕠𝕠 is used for divination, psychic abilities, love and lust, and fertility spells. And the last thing out of the box is just a health disclaimer. If you are new to the subscription, you will want to give that a good read. So that is all for this month's box. Like I said, I do have the link in my description below if you do want to catch next month's box. I will advise that they do have limited spots, so do get it while you can, and with my link you will get 15% off. Welcome back, everyone. So as you saw, I have the boxes right next to me. Like I said, I just did the unboxing, so we got these cute little droppers. I'm in love with these. These are absolutely adorable. So cute. Anyways, and obviously this cleansing stick. I don't want to say smudging because I don't want to be disrespectful. And I really don't know too much about it. Everything is too confusing, so I'll just avoid it and just not use white sage at all. Anyways, we got 3 beautiful pictures. I love these. These are my favorite part. These and the seeds, because the monographs that I'm going to be able to make with these. Oh, fabulous. So that is the actual box for the Apothecary at Home. I did the unboxing for the herb of the month. There we go. I did the unboxing for the herb of the month. I'm going to experiment the next few months with how these unboxings go, because I don't know if I want to do both of these together or keep them separate, but I think I'm just going to film these separate for today. If you want to let me know down in the comments if I should put them together or keep them separate, let me know. But other than that, I will see you on my next video. Hope you have a lovely day, and goodbye.